Katie with the OFCC team, and we're going to discuss the Project Milestones BP for the K-12 Cloud. There's also a job aid on the OFCC website if you want to follow along. The Project Milestone BP tracks the milestones for the entire life of the project. The data that's collected is used to run reports for calculating our metrics. The Project Milestone BP should be continuously updated throughout the life of the project. One project milestone record should be created for each building or demo building project. Finally, this BP is housed under Data Manager and is a non-workflow record. To create your project milestone, you're going to go to Data Manager, Project Milestone, and then click New. We're going to fill out all of the information in the General section. Please note that the stage box should be updated as needed throughout the project. I'm going to fill out my title, my project phase, my status, and then my initial stage. Now we're going to fill out the information in the Project Dates section. For the planned project start date, the first entry should be based on dates entered in the AERFQ. The revised project start and end date will always be filled in for reporting purposes. The first entry should match the planned dates. The actual project start and end dates will remain blank until the event has occurred. Then you will update once the milestone is achieved. Once you're able to enter the actual project start and the actual project end date, you will need to change the status in the top to completed. Again, that's only when you're completely finished. For today's example, we're going to leave it with active and empty these dates. Now I'm going to scroll down to the Design Milestones section. Again, for my design milestones, my planned design start date and end date are the original dates based on the AERFQ. As in above, my revised dates should match my planned design start and my planned design end until they need to be updated. I will fill in the actual design start and the actual design end when that event occurs. Now we'll fill out the information in the Construction Milestones section. Again, the planned dates are from the RFQ. The revised dates are going to be the same as the planned dates until those need to be updated. And once construction starts, I will come back into the project milestone and add the actual start dates and completion date and end date. For additional milestones, you can click on the Additional Milestones tab and click Add. and choose whether you want to add a detail line item or a summary line item. I'll fill out the information in my line item. I'll enter the milestone type and the original completion date, and the revised completion date, which will be the same. I can then go back into this line item and fill out the actual completion date when that event has occurred. I'll click OK, and my additional line item for my milestone will show here. When you're finished entering all of the information for the record, you can click Finish Editing. Just remember that the milestone record should be updated throughout the project as necessary. If you have any questions about the Project Milestone BP, contact the OFCC support desk at oakci@ofcc.ohio.gov or 614-644-2211.